Dear colleagues, it is our pleasure to announce the second workshop on representing and manipulating the formal objects called for papers. The topic of the workshop include, with the focus on the formal object of course, representation and state estimation, simulation and modeling, transfer from simulation to reality. Also, data-driven methods are welcome, for example, end-to-end learning or learning from demonstration. Furthermore, perception is also important, so state tracking, parameter identification, property detection, for example landmarks, and classification contributions are welcome. Control, visual surveying, and planning is also relevant, as well as multi-arm manipulation or specialized tools like grippers or sensors. Furthermore, application-specific challenges like cloth folding, surgical task, or similar are appreciated. We solicit extended abstracts of 3 pages with unlimited pages of references in the IEEE format. Contributions are encouraged but not required to be original. So if you have recent works that you want to share and present to the community, go for it. Submissions will be reviewed by experts of the respective field, and accepted abstracts will be presented as posters and/or spotlight talks in the workshop. Submissions will be done via the CMT portal. See the link in the description or pause the video. Some important The submission deadline is the 5th of April. You will receive the reviews and decision on the 30th of April. And then, if accepted, the camera-ready version is due on the 10th of May. The workshop itself will be held on the 23rd of May. This time we're going to have a hybrid workshop format, which means there's going to be an on-site workshop as well as the possibility of remote participation. More infos will come to this. We hope to see you all on the 23rd of May, either in Philadelphia or remotely.